And you know that the bitwise operator work on the bits. Bit means the binary number. And the bitwise operator we are having the first one is binary and, binary or, binary XOR, binary ones complement, binary left shift, binary right shift. So these are the bitwise operators. Now I'm going to discuss these operators. So talking about the AND operator, in the AND operator we are having the truth table. Let us suppose that this is the first bit, this is the second bit, and that is the AND of these two bits. So if A and B both are 0, it will be 0. If anything is 0, that will be 0, because AND is applied. So 0 1, that will again become 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1. Only the condition where both ones are there, then the resultant answer will be 1. Otherwise it will be 0. So I am taking one example to make you understand. Let us suppose that we are having a variable A and the user has entered the value of that variable is 11, and we are having the variable B and user has entered the value which is 7. This 11 and this 7, these are the decimal numbers. Now these decimal numbers will be converted to the binary numbers correspondingly. Binary number because bitwise operator work on the binary numbers bit by bit. So to convert 11 into binary, we are having 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder 0, 2 0, and remainder is 1. So reverse order we are going to write, and that will be 1 0 1 1. So that is the binary equivalent of 11. Similarly, we are finding the binary equivalent of 7. So 7 is there, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, 2 0 0, remainder is 1. So in the reverse order we will write that 3 times 1 are there, but in the above example there are 4 digits. So I will add 1 0, that 0 at the previous, so that will not having any impact. Now we have to find out AND A and B. So now these are the binary values. In the binary values, we can find the AND with the help of the truth table. This truth table says that whenever we are finding two ones consecutively, then one will be there, otherwise all zeros are there. So check out, these two are 1. So 1 will come here. These two are again 1. So 1 will come here. Then this is 0 and 1. Both 1 are not there. So 0 will come again here. Both 1 are not there. So 0 will come. So that is the answer of A and B into the binary form. But we again want the answer where we have started. So we will come back and give the answer to user into the decimal form. And to convert that, we will first of all take the same number 0 0 1 1 to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3. So 1 2 4 8 we will learn. 8 into 0 is 0, plus 4 into 0 is 0, plus 2 plus 1. So that is 3. So whatever the answer on the user screen, will be 3. This is the part that you will write into the program and you will get the answer. You will enter the value of A as 11, value of B as 7, and if you will write A and B, answer will be 3. But how this part is calculated? So this whole part which is calculated, that is the background part that is done by the system. So we must know that how this 3 is calculated. So this whole part is the part done by the system. Okay. Now we are checking for the OR operator.